What is up, my spooky babes and ghouls? It has been a while since I filmed a video. I know, I keep saying I'm gonna keep filming, but it's just, you know, school got in the way. And then I kind of got lazy during spring break. I just kind of want to sit back and relax, and I don't want to stress about YouTube or anything. But then we got like an extra week of spring break because of the outbreak, so I guess that's good. I was pretty excited about that, but I don't know, now all of our classes are online, so I don't know, I'm gonna do that because most of my classes we need to physically be there, so we'll see what happens. Anyway, so I kind of just want to do like a simple video today. I actually kind of want to film several videos today, so I'm gonna start off with the simplest one. But this is kind of like my quarantine makeup routine. Haha, that rhymed. But no, yeah, it's just like easy, simple makeup that takes like 5 minutes, like 10 to 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes or less, I don't know. But it's really simple, it's easy. I mean, you can always add to it, or just, you know, don't wear makeup. But I don't know, I kind of like feeling, I feel comfortable in makeup, and I feel cute when I wear like even just a little bit of makeup sometimes. I've been learning to love my skin more. Anyway, so we're gonna be starting off with this milk. What is this? Kush lip balm. My sister gifted this to me, and I really do like it so far. I like the way it smells. I love it. And my lips feel pretty moisturized. I like it. Most chapsticks or lip balms kind of dry my lips. I had actually used the Good Molecules eye patches, the hydrating eye patches. I can't remember what they're called. I have them in my bathroom. I was like getting them, but I really do like them. They sent them out to me, and I love them so much. But you gotta check out that brand, this brand, because I do use a lot of their stuff, and they're really affordable. I'm gonna use several of the products right now. I'm gonna be using 2 serums from Good Molecules. I'm gonna be using their niacinamide serum, sorry, and their hyaluronic acid serum. I can't even say these names for the life of me. But anyway, so this one, the niacinamide serum, this one helps with skin texture, and then this other one is a moisturizing serum. So I could do like to mix both of them together. Actually, this one's a bit more like stickier, not sticky, but like more like not as liquid as the other one. So I usually apply this one first. I apply a few dots on my face. It's like a little bit dots. Usually I apply that one more like on my areas where I have texture, like on my cheeks, my forehead. My nose can sometimes have texture. And then this one I add tiny little drops. I like using this product especially during like the winter times, because my skin gets really dry during winter. And my skin can really use it, you know, and I feel like it's perfect for winter. But I mean, we already went past, actually I didn't even get a winter, but still, like even like when it dropped like below 60, my skin dries up really bad. I guess my skin really likes tropical weather, I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna let that settle into my skin and I'll be right back. Okay, so my skin looks really nice so far. So next I'm gonna be using the Good Molecules Silicone Free Priming Moisturizer. I'm not gonna wear makeup, but I do like to wear this without makeup anyways. I mean, obviously it's a moisturizer. But I feel like it helps my skin look better, like it makes my skin look more smoother. So I'll be using some of this. This is from Good Molecules. I believe it's like around like $15. Like their stuff is really affordable, you gotta check them out. Their serums might be like 10, 12, I don't remember. But I don't know, I feel like I need to buy me some more of this stuff. I mean, even though they sent out this stuff to me, I kind of just want to buy some. Just because like they're really affordable. Like this is like another great product for winter because I mean normally I used to like apply moisturizer before primer, but I feel like this is like a 2-in-1, so it makes my routine faster. I really do like it. Like I feel like my skin's been like really nice and moisturized ever since I started using this product. My makeup usually looks like really flawless when I wear it, and it lasts pretty much like all day. It just looks really good. Like, and I don't know, it just makes my makeup sit better, and this looks more natural, I guess, in a way. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna let that settle into my skin a little bit, let it dry up, and I'll be back. Okay, so next I'm gonna be setting my face with a powder, just like a little bit powder, because I really don't like the dewy, not the dewy, but I just don't like the whole like shiny face look. It makes my face look greasy or sweaty. So anyway, so I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Vanilla Setting Powder, and I'm using this big brush right here, and applying some all on my face. Patting it all over, not too many, not too much powder. I just want to mattify it just a little bit. I don't like having a shiny face, to be honest. Next I'm applying this Milk Makeup blush stick and work all over my face. I got this from Sephora for like my birthday gift. It was free. It's a little mini blush stick. I really like it because like it's easy to carry around. I usually have it in my purse, so that way if I get in the car and I have to put blush on, I can just like, easily like pat this stuff on really quick. I also like to use this on my lips too. So I got 2 fingers and I'm just gonna pat it on. I kind of blend it down a little bit so that way it doesn't look too harsh. And I kind of like to bring it over here to my cheeks. I want to make my face look glowy and blushy. Add a little bit more. I like to make it look like I've actually been out in the sun even though I haven't, you know? Just kind of give myself like a nice summery glow. Also, I noticed my skin's been really clear lately. Like, I just have like a bunch of bumps on my forehead. And I had some bumps on my cheeks kinda a little bit, and that's been going down, but I think maybe it's because I haven't been eating fast food. It's been like maybe like a week or so since I've eaten fast food. I've been staying in the house more and we've been cooking our own meals, so yeah, I think my skin really likes not eating greasy food. I'll put some like on the nose, like on the bridge a little bit. You want to go for like a cute, summery kind of vibe, you know? And a little bit on the nose tip. But yeah, I think this whole like staying in stuff. I mean, I always stay in anyways. Like I rarely go out. The only time we go out is like when we have to go like we get food like in the middle of the night, like fast food. We go to drive-thru. I really don't eat out or go shopping or anywhere. Although I did go shop. I did go to the mall like last weekend before this whole like stuff went down, like down here. Okay, so there is that. Have some blush on my face. I think I look really nice. Sun-kissed. I don't know. Oh, and let's add some on my lips too. Let me get my finger. Add some on here. Kind of like to blot it on. I do like to bring it up to my cupid's bow a little bit. At first I didn't really like this blush stick, I didn't know how to apply it. But I like to wear it when I don't really wear makeup. It adds like an extra glow to my face. But usually when I wear like foundation, like full like face, a whole face, I like to use a powder blush. I feel like when I put this on, it kind of removes some of my foundation. I don't know. But I like this with like no makeup looks. And there we go. I look really cute now. Okay, so I don't have to apply highlighter. Well, I'm applying a little bit highlighter. Usually I don't, but yesterday I did and I thought it looked really cute. So I want to do that. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Kit. And we're going to be diving into the shade Sunshine, which is like a yellow highlight. I mean, of course you can use any kind of highlighter you want. I'm using this one just to match my dress. I think it looks really cute, so. I'm applying with my finger. I'm just going to dab some on like on my cheekbones. I feel like the highlighter gives like an extra glow to the face. Makes you look more, I don't know, more glowy, more awake. I don't know. I think it looks cute. Anyway, so next is the brows, and I've been going for more of like a quick brow lately, something that's more like natural and bushier. But also I still have to draw on the tails of my brows. But first, usually I use Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel, and what is this, Granite? Yeah. I dyed my hair black recently, so I switched to using the black one again, so yeah. Before then, I would just use dark brown. But anyway, so I'm gonna take off some of the product off the wand. So I just kind of brush it in my brows. I really like using this product because it makes my brows look more natural. Like not more natural, but it makes them look more darker, but like in a natural way. Besides like using like a pomade or a brow powder. I like to brush my hairs up here upwards to give them a more bushier look. I kind of miss having like my whole natural brow grown on, but then like I don't know, I kind of like drawing them on like more arched a little bit. Okay, there we go. That's the brows, but we're not done with the brows yet because I need to draw my tails. If you guys have your full brows on still, then you're good to go. If you just use like a brow powder, like a brow gel or something. But for me, I have to do an extra step because you know I plucked off like half like my brow tail, so I'm gonna be dipping into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Granite Brow Powder Duo. I'm using this little brush, and I'm drawing the tails of my eyebrows. And we're gonna blend it into the brow a little bit, so that way it just doesn't go from like less product to like just a harsh black line. And then last but not least is mascara. We're gonna be using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Bag Mascara, and I've been using this like almost like every day pretty much, and I really do like it. Okay, so first usually I brush it down on my lashes, and then I brush up because I want to get the product on both sides of my lashes. And then while we're brushing up, we're gonna wiggle the wand to get off like any like clumps or anything off the lashes. You could just do like 1 coat, 2 coats, or 3 coats with this mascara. I usually do like 2 a little bit. Sometimes 1, like usually I'm satisfied with 1. I think that looks really nice actually. Now next, onto our lash. We're gonna do the same thing to lash. I'm just off my camera for now because my battery is dying. And that is it for today's look. It was a cute, simple, easy look. It's pretty much like how it's become like my everyday look. And I think all we need to do is add some cute jewelry. So I'm gonna add these earrings on. I think I'm wearing like nice. And there goes my earring. As I was saying, I think jewelry adds like a nice, it makes you look more nicer. I think like I don't know, it just brightens up your face. Like when you wear like nice earrings or like a necklace, you know. It's one hack I learned from a YouTube video. I don't know from who, but anyways, yeah, like it pretty much like brightens your face. Like when you really don't, like when you really aren't wearing that much makeup, but you don't feel like, you know, sometimes I don't, when I don't wear a lot of makeup, I just feel kind of gross. I don't know, that's just me, but I don't know, just add some jewelry on and you look instantly better. Also, like, doing your hair is another plus, and there we go. And I'll just see my hair like this, clipped on. I'll bring some hair out now that I'm not doing makeup. This has been my easy, simple looks I've been doing like every day. Just cause I don't really, you know, I don't really have time to do makeup. I'd rather be doing other things like playing Harvest Moon or painting, you know. I'd rather be doing that than just sitting for like 2 hours doing makeup, you know. Like I really like, I love doing makeup, but just sometimes it just can eat away at my day, so yeah. But I had gotten this cute dress, and I like to wear it a lot because it's really comfy. Like it's not like a fitting dress, it's like really loose and comfy, and it's just so soft. I think it's like a perfect dress for summer. I got it from Forever 21. I got these earrings from there too, like months ago. But yeah, I think it's really cute. I mean, okay, so my camera had died on me while I was filming my outro or whatever. But anyway, so yeah, so that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like and comment down below. And also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Also make sure you check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I have all my links displayed on the screen, all my tags displayed on the screen, and also down below in the description box as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this cute, fun, quick makeup tutorial. My quick, fun, everyday look, my quarantine look. Also, I usually wear this when I don't have time. Like if I wake up late before school, you know, it's just a quick 5 to 10 minute look, so. Of course, you can always add more to it. You can always add like freckles. I'm listening that you already have natural freckles, and that's awesome. But if you don't, you know, you can add some cute little fake freckles, or you can add whatever, you know. You can even wear like red lipstick or any color of lipstick you want to wear. But I feel like going for like a more natural look today. So yeah. So that's it for today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Hope you guys have a wonderful and safe time.